Let's talk Madam Hollywood, please.
People have cage flights or aviaries or little space for them to fly. How are you going to build a cage this big? Why would you do that? If you were forced to live in a 4x4 box, you'd probably pull your hair out, who knows, rub feces on the walls. They weren't meant for a sedentary life. They're not meant to live in a cage.
I'm free.
Please make a difference while you're here on this earth, in a good way.
I'm free.